Okay, it's 6:30, 1 p.m. It's starting, weather's starting to change. We got her finished. Here's there's one we took down, precision ladder, nothing but the best. We took it all down, put it back up, modified everything up front, put 2 swinging chains up there for safety. It bolted through just perfect like we measured it. We measured it good, the factory built it good, it was fantastic. There we go. We put safeties up there. Here's the next unit. This was a solid deck. We cut the deck out. We came back through, and it really looks good. This one actually has a spring-loaded door. Looks nice. Here we go. Everything kind of blends together. Everything looks real good. Real good. It's kind of loud and noisy in here, but again, there's that one going up. This one going down. Our handrail extensions are perfect out of the way, so when we come in here, we go down. I'll turn around. It looks first class. Going back up, we put rubber. We put 1/2 inch of rubber underneath both. Heavy duty tractor supply rubber, if you will. And goes up for supports under here to hold the handrails. We put precision ladder 4x4 square tubing cut in half and put those on. We gave finger spaces here. Finger spaces here, we had to cut notches out right there and right there so your fingers are clear. I'm extremely happy we got it all done, and I don't have any, we got plenty of head clearance right here because I cut it extra big, and I think it's wonderful. I think the customer will love it, and that is it. So I am signing off. Blue Sky Sales, the A team. We can go home and get a nap, finishing up one little screw there and on the kick plate. Alrighty, thank y'all. Have a good day. Good night.